Hello, friends. Today we'll be dealing with factors affecting growth and development. There are many factors that affect a person's growth and development. The main are hereditary and environment. Hereditary includes genetic constitution, race, and sex. Genetic constitution of an individual is established during the time of conception, and every individual has this supply of gene which is responsible for the physical resemblance of members of family. This could be in terms of color of eyes, hair, facial peculiarities, physical features, blood group, etc. Race is a special characteristics. Similar physical characteristics are seen in people belonging to the same race and different in different race. Sex of the baby is determined at the time of conception. After birth, male infant is long and heavier than the female baby. At 1 year, there is no difference between the male and female babies. But at the time of puberty, girls mature earlier than the boys. Now let's look about the environmental factors. This include prenatal environment and postnatal environment. Prenatal environment is the intrauterine period in which the baby is inside the uterus of the mother. And postnatal environment is the environment that provides satisfying experiences which promotes the growth and development of the child. In the prenatal period, there can be nutrition deficiency in the maternal side like maternal anemia, maternal undernutrition, intrauterine growth retardation, iron and folic acid deficiency, which can all lead to small fetus. In case of obstetric problems like pregnancy-induced hypertension, multiple pregnancy, preeclampsia, malposition of fetus can all produce fetal growth restriction. In case of metabolic like diabetes mellitus, there can be large size of fetus, and infections such as maternal rubella, syphilis, hepatitis B, HIV, cytomegalovirus can all lead to congenital malformations. In case of administration of drugs like thalidomide can cause birth defects, and these drugs are called teratogenic drugs. In maternal hormone imbalances such as thyroxine deficiency can retard skeleton maturation in fetus. Hyperglycemia can cause increased fetal blood sugar level and excess insulin secretion in fetus and thus macrosomia. Now let's see the postnatal environment. It includes nutrition, infection and infestation, chemical, and trauma. In case of nutrition, that means the child does not get adequate nutrition as per the need of his growth, which can lead to protein energy malnutrition and many other problems. In case of infection or infestation, if not properly treated and not given immunization, it can be fatal and can lead to many other growth and developmental problems. In case of chemicals, some chemicals can be very harmful for the child. If the child gets exposed to it, it can be fatal as well. In case of trauma can be blunt trauma also. In case of that, if the child is not treated properly, it can affect the child temporarily or permanently in the future, such as paralysis, blindness, etc. Now let's see other factors that affect the growth and development of the child, which include socio-economic factors. A child born to a low socioeconomic means may not receive adequate health supervisions. Without immunization, the child becomes vulnerable to disease and permanent neurological damage can also occur. In case of cultural influence, the group of human beings create their own culture, and this culture becomes a part of the human being itself. What happens is that a child, even before it's born, the culture determines its growth and development in the prenatal period itself. Now let's see about the emotions. Sometimes child may be abandoned by the parents or maybe in the orphanages or in case of broken homes. This will affect the growth and development of the child, like developing anxiety, insecurity, lack of support, which can affect the child's development in many ways. Thank you. I hope you have understood.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.